Hey everybody, it's Ronnie, and this is my second writing process strategy. This strategy is called the step map, and it's honestly pretty self-explanatory. It's just a diagram that looks like a staircase, so some steps, and this strategy is most useful for when things need to go in some sort of order, if that's steps of the water cycle, or if that's maybe rules to follow, or in science class when there's procedure to doing experiments and all that kind of stuff, or even history, putting things in a chronological order. Sorry, my hair's driving me crazy. But I really like this because it gives students the visual of being like, okay, this is first, and then we're going to go down to the second step, and then we're going to go down to the third step, and so on and so forth. I think that a lot of times just having students like list things out is obviously very boring. They're not really comprehending it, and so even having something as simple as this is a lot more engaging and sort of open to them. They can write in sort of whatever they need to help them remember the steps of the water cycle. So I have your basic steps of evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and infiltration. They obviously, you could add more detail, you could add pictures, just sort of whatever is going to help them remember what sort of goes first, second, third, how it all works with each other, and all of that kind of thing. Thank you.